The secret to winning in real estate is to find off-market deals. See, a lot of people ask me, Jullien, what websites do you go to find deals? And the reality is that I don't go to websites. I don't go to Jullien, Zillow, or Redfin to find deals. Jullien, Zillow, and Redfin only have real estate listings. They do not have real estate deals. You have to know the difference between a real estate listing and a real estate deal. And most real estate agents actually don't know the difference between a real estate listing and a real estate deal. Mass marketed listings regularly command a 30% premium to an off-market deal. So why would I want to pay a 30% premium on a piece of real estate that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars? And so how do you find off-market deals? Well, I ask you the same question. How do you get the hookup at a store? For those of you who have hookups at some sort of store, how do you get that hookup? You get it through a relationship. You get it through networking. You get it through another human being. And real estate operates in the same way. Real estate is a contact sport. You have to be in contact with people and you have to be in contact with properties. So in New Orleans, my major market, I actually have a real estate Rolodex of about 66 people, including multiple real estate agents. That's a gem. I don't just rely on one real estate agent. Wholesalers, contractors, lenders, right? Family and friends, other owners. I have a real estate Rolodex of 66 people who are looking for real estate deals for me, right? That they hear about through conversation or what real estate agents call pocket deals. So this is how you find off-market deals. And this is the key to success. So I have off-market deals coming to me via email, text message, Instagram, Facebook, Craigslist, all the time. And when you know how to run the numbers, you can move quickly on those deals before they ever hit a website like Jullien, Zillow, or Redfin. All right. For my past 7 to 8 deals, I have not found them on any traditional website. And if you do find a deal on a website, you have to move immediately. You can't bookmark it and save it for later and be like, oh, I'm going to look at this on Saturday. It will be gone. It will say pending or under contract. So you have to know how to evaluate deals quickly and how to move with confidence. Once you have the contract, then you can do more due diligence, right? But if you don't get the contract, then you don't get the property. And so you have to learn how to build your real estate Rolodex so that you have off-market deals coming to you every single day. And this is how you win in the game of real estate.